This is the Centre Cushion Armrest for the Austin Healey BN1, BN2 and the early BN4 models, pre-68,959 I believe. Always worth double checking because they weren't exactly consistent. This has been done to original specification, which is leather faced. That basically means that you have elements of leather but then also elements of vinyl. So on this pleated panel here is leather. They're genuine chuck and roll pleats. You can't really see because I haven't got a side entrance. I suppose I could. There we are. Tuck and roll there, as you can see. So leather on the top there. You also get a tiny bit leather there folded around at each end. Then everything else is vinyl. So you have vinyl, underside vinyl. You also get this foam padding in there as original. When it's all sewn at the end, it also gets edged all the way, left and right edges, and then the back and front edges have got the piping on it. This is cherry red leather and vinyl with some off-white pimple piping. You also get a loose bit of vinyl which helps cover up the bodywork area around where the handbrake comes out at the side here. So this basically folds over like so. That goes in there and you got a handbrake there. Yeah, as ever, always look for the JS label and the Union Jack for a sign of quality.